Did you know the rules for getting rich haven't changed in over 4,000 years? Today we are going to debunk the myth that you need to be a Wall Street genius to invest. We are going to travel to ancient Babylon to discover the most timeless investment principles that exist. In the next few minutes, I will reveal the formula for wealth used by the most powerful merchants in history. We are going to cover 4 things today. First, why paying yourself first is not selfish, it's financial survival. Second, the secret of the 10% that can change your life. Third, how to make your money have children and grandchildren, and no, it's not magic. And fourth, the number 1 mistake that turns investors into beggars. If you want to stop working for money and start making money work for you, stay until the end. Let's begin. In the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, Arkad, the wealthiest man in the city, taught that wealth is not a matter of luck, but of habits. And the first one is radical. Pay yourself first. Most people work all month to pay the landlord, the grocery store, the bank, and if anything is left over, they save it. Big mistake. Wealth is built in reverse. The moment you receive your salary, 10% must disappear. That money is not for spending, it's for your freedom fund. It doesn't matter if you earn $1,000 or $10,000, the habit of the 10% is what separates the slave from the master of money. But saving is not enough. Arkad said, "A treasure that does not grow is consumed." This is where the principle of investing comes in. You must make your money work for you. Imagine your money is a slave. But a slave that can have children. When you invest those savings, your first slaves, they generate profits. Those profits are the children of your money. And if you reinvest those profits, they generate grandchildren. This is compound interest, the 8th wonder of the world according to Einstein. You don't need to do crazy math, you just need to be consistent and patient. However, the book issues a warning harder than the Babylonian desert. Better a little wisdom than rashness. This is the most important point. Arkad doesn't tell you to bet it all on red. He tells you to protect your capital. It is better to earn a little safely than to lose everything due to greed. Before investing in something, ask yourself, do I really understand this business? If you don't understand how money is made there, don't invest. Ignorance is the greatest enemy of capital. Consult the wise. If you want to learn about jewels, talk to the jeweler. If you want to learn about stocks, talk to experienced investors. Don't ask for investment advice from your neighbor who lives paycheck to paycheck. Quality information is the shield of your wealth. Today we have seen 4 pillars. First, pay yourself first, that 10% rule at the beginning of the month. Second, make it work, don't leave your money idle, invest it. Third, patience, compound interest is your best friend, give it time. And fourth, protect yourself, invest only in what you understand and seek wise counsel. The richest man in Babylon wasn't born rich, he decided to be. And that decision is made every day, every time you choose to save and invest instead of spend. Leave me a comment below. Which of these principles is hardest for you to apply? Saving the 10% or being patient with your investments? If you like this journey into ancient wisdom, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Remember, knowledge is the most valuable currency. See you in the next one.